What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.060, up 6.3 on the day. We're sitting a market cap of 429 million, 24-hour volume 478 million. Let's pop into the charts. So what we're looking at here is that we put in a wave 1 of the wave 3. So here's your larger wave 1, here's your wave 2 pullback. We almost retraced about 90% of wave 1 here. And then we started to bounce. So potentially what I'm looking at is a wave 3. And now within the wave 3 are 5 subwaves. So we have our wave 1, which is complete here. We have a wave 2 pullback. So what we're looking at is either we're going through an ABC correction like this, where we've come down, we made an A wave. Here's your overshooting wave B. And now we have a wave C to take you down in between about 48 to about 53 cents. Let me just change the color of this. Sure, let's do yellow. So potentially this is what we could be looking at, or we have met the minimum requirement of a wave 2 pullback to 0.382 at about 0.056. So if we were to come up and break this high, that's when we could put in the wave 3 of the wave 3. So what we can do is take our trend base extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1 to the bottom. If this were to be the bottom of the wave 2, then you would target the 1.618 about 0.083 for your wave 3 within your wave 3. Now if we pull back a little bit deeper here, let's say we pull back to the golden ratio, then your wave 3 would take you up here, I can't quite see that, to about 0.0, it looks like about 0.080. Really close to this price target here of 0.079, all right guys? So those are your two potential scenarios in my opinion. I do think it's more likely we'd be putting in an ABC correction, but of course these kind of altcoins can be much more volatile. So if we do come down, just watch for a bounce between 0.048 and 0.053. Put in the ABC and see the continuation of the wave 3. Now if we were to come down and lose this low, it would invalidate this wave count, and we'd have to be looking at a corrective structure. But as of right now, Gala is looking pretty healthy for continuation. We have a bullish divergence. We've been creating lower lows, creating higher lows in the RSI. Money's been flowing in. Early sign that the bears are running out of strength. We are kind of finding support here in no man's land for Gala. We really don't have much support until down here at about 0.032. But if we break this down sloping trend line, we could see a juicy push all the way up to about 10 cents. And from the current price, that would be a juicy gain of about 81%. Definitely think it's a high possibility, especially if we break this trend line. If we do get rejected here, we do have some strong support coming in right down here at about 0.048. And then the down sloping trend line would be coming in at about 0.036, which would bring you back down to this level of support. But as of right now, we have a bullish divergence on the daily and on the money flow, so we could definitely see a breakout to the upside. In the short term here, if we do continue to come down, your wave 2 pullback can retrace 99% of wave 1, but usually it's going to bounce in between the 0.5 to 0.786 at about 0.048 and 0.053. If we manage to bounce here and break this high, then we have put in the minimum requirement. We could start to put in our wave 3 to the upside to take you up to this yellow box, but I think it's a little bit more likely we see a little bit more pullback first. We'll have to see what happens. We've been making some juicy profits trading Gala as well as Matic, and currently we're in an Ethereum trade as well. As you can see, we locked in 50% gains. I recently locked in about 80% gains on my Gala trade. We recently locked in juicy profits on our Matic trade as well, as you can see right here. It's $10 until the end of today. If you want to lock yourself in to get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at $10 a month, you can sign up now. It's going up to $25 at the end of the day, but if you get in now, you can stay at $10 for life, as it is going to be bumped up by the end of the day. All right, guys, for my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link to gain access to the Discord. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorial, up to $4,500 in bonuses, my favorite exchange for trading. If you want to keep up with my travels, you can follow me on IG, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.